Alrighty, welcome to your Unit 4 preview. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to take a look at kind of what's coming up in Unit 4. So, Unit 4, it's all about transformations of functions. And, the first lesson, 16 over here, lots of workbook activities. So, with workbooks, you're reading through some material, watching a video or two, and then completing a little assignment at the end. Uh, and then there's a little lesson activity. These lesson activities, well, this one in particular, there's a little bit of Desmos in there, but when there's Desmos activities, your job is just, hey, let's make sure we're uh, reading the instructions, watching the little tutorial video that goes with it, and then trying out the activity. And then there's a little bit of Khan Academy in there as well. With those, remember, there's like videos on Khan Academy, and you can try these assignments as many times as you want until you get full points on it. So please make sure that you're just trying it out. Keep going. Like maybe you get 3 out of 4. Try it again. Get 4 out of 4. Just keep going. Then we got our checkpoint, and then we got one ISAT question here. This is just to give you some practice for your ISAT. When you're gonna have to take it. So it's just good practice. Okay. Now, lesson 17. This one, again, lots of workbook action. Then there's a discussion. So when it comes to discussions, you're going to have a couple of options in there. And you just pick whichever of the 3 options that you want. You answer the question, and then you're done. It's pretty easy, pretty fun. It gives you some choice on what you want to do there. More, and then over here, lesson activity. Again, there's Desmos, there's Khan Academy. So you're just making sure to watch the video that goes with it. Make sure that just utilize the tools that you bring provided. And of course, our checkpoint. With the checkpoints, something to note is you do need to score at least 50%. So that's you know, half, and you can try them 3 times. And if you've tried them 3 times and you still haven't quite gotten there yet, you can it'll notify us, and then we can uh, help you out, give you another shot, maybe offer some reteaching moments here or there, whatever you might need. With the next unit, again, more workbooks, just learning the material, doing an activity. Again, just make sure you're watching the videos, you're trying the Khan Academy assignments multiple times until you can get full points on them. And our checkpoint. Oh, and then what we have is a project here. So when it comes to this project, uh, it's going to pull up something in StrongMind where you read through some material and then you answer the question. Sometimes it's a multiple choice, sometimes you got to enter in an answer. It just kind of depends on the question. But it's another one of those, just give it a shot, try your best, and then uh you know we'll we'll let you know what could be improved, what's good about it, what's bad, but it shouldn't be too bad. And it's pretty quick, honestly. There's not too many questions in there. Okay, and then we're doing more workbook stuff. Again, lesson activity. That's when there's like Khan Academy or some sort of Desmos activity. Just make sure you're really watching those videos or giving them a couple of shots, whatever you need. And then we got ISAT practice question. It's just one question, taking maybe 5 minutes to figure it out. Uh, it's just good practice for when you actually have to take the ISAT. And then we got lesson 20 here. Again, more workbooks. Uh, this video assignment exam 4 prep, that's something that we've made so that you can prepare yourself for the exam. It's got questions very similar to what you're going to see on the exams, and you can just go through those questions, watch a little video for some help on the question. Often the video is just how to do the question, so hopefully you can get the answer right because we're just kind of telling you how to do it. Uh, and then that's just in preparation for this guy, your exam. And then another ISAT practice. Over here we've got an honors assignment. Now if you have opted into honors credit for the course, you can you'll have this assignment assigned to you, and it's an extra assignment, but it does add to uh, it looks nice at the end. You got this honors designation. There's just more points for you to be able to get. It's pretty nice if you want to do that. Uh, but there's no penalty if you don't get it. If you don't do it, you have to opt into it if you wanted to do it. And yeah, that's Unit 4.